Here we have the 2080 Ti that came in for immediate black screen when the drivers were installed in the operating system. So it was completely dead. It's not that dead now, but it's artifacting heavily, and the driver reports error 43. So the next step would be to connect the card to my diagnostic computer with a special operating system that tests the GPU itself and the memory banks. So I've done that, and here's the report. So as we can see, these are the FB these are memory banks, and we can see that there are a lot of write errors on bank A1, and there are also some errors in all the other banks. So that's how it looked like. I'll probably make a video, but there are also many videos on YouTube about this software and how to set it up. I'll probably link this in the description. So basically what we see here is the end report, and we can see that the rereads and everything, it looks like the chip itself, the memory bank, is almost like not attached to the board properly. And also because there are also write errors on the other banks, I'm thinking that the GPU itself also has problems probably connecting to the board. So we need to focus for now on the A1 bank, because this is the one that gives the most errors. Okay, so this is how the card looks like without the cooling system, the backplate, any of the shrouds. So as we can see here, these are the memory banks. Here, here, and here. And this is the main GPU. And what we are looking for is top left corner of this GPU, which is, in case of this card, is not here, is indicated by the small arrow in here. So let's flip the GPU. Now, top left here, so the bottom right is this one. We see this is A1, then this will be A0, B1, B0, and so on and so forth. So this guy here, there's one alone guy here, is the one that is giving us all the problems. And we can immediately see the logo on it. It's M Micron memory. So this is 11 gig card, if I'm not mistaken. So we have 4 gigs here, 4 gigs here, and 3 gigs here. So this little guy may be either not sitting properly. This card had a water block fitted on it, so I'm willing to bet that if it's not overheated, it's just the mounting pressure caused this chip to come off its well, there are probably micro cracks or something. Maybe it's not getting power even. Hard to tell right now. I have memory. It is used memory, but I bet these are 1 gigs. I have a bunch of those there. Look, another one, These are all the same micron memory. Will need to be cleaned, reballed, if this guy needs to be changed. Another day, another report. Well, I'm happy with the first ones. A, B, and C0 are good. There are some few errors there, but the E1, it's still not what it's supposed to be. I'll be working on this one now. Oh, let's see. A small update, a bit scary one. So I completely took out this chip. You can see the mess. That's just flags. Took out the chip completely. And reseated it. And yeah, I don't have either a BGA workstation or stencils or soldables. Nothing. I did it completely manually. Just, what's the worst that can happen? Yeah, not helpful because this was the first time I did such a thing. Oh, okay, we'll see. What do we have here? It's 8 gigabytes of VRAM DDR6, no less. They taking a bath. Good memory taking bath there. Oh yeah, yeah. To the matter at hand. So looks normal. Now doesn't look that normal anymore. So this chip was just had its connections broken. So I had it to take it out anyway. All the rest of it seems to be working fine, but not this thing. So, what's the next step? I have no equipment and no experience doing that. So, two options. I think sending it to my good friend for fitting, that's one option. Second option is to buy the stencil for GDDR6 and doing it myself. That's dodgy. Well, I don't know what to do, so I'll need time to make a decision on this one.